welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Faith, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a pop tube fidget toy. But before I show you the things that you're gonna need to like and subscribe. So the first thing that you're gonna need is straws. Straws. And then you're gonna need scissors and some clear tape. Ta-da. That's just my tape. And the thing that we're going to be making today is these. These are two separate ones. I'm going to show you the blue one. Very nice. Okay. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is take one straw at a time and cut right beside the bendy part. Okay? And then you're just going to want to cut it evenly. Okay? And you're just going to want to do one at a time. You're going to need 4 straws if you want to make a big bendy tube. I mean, not bendy tube. I already forgot what it was called. Pop tube, pop tube, pop tube. Cut them very softly or else they're going to fly everywhere. And they're going to get in a crack like it just did. Okay, there it is. Okay. So I'm on my very last one. Let me get that up. Okay. Okay. So you should have 4 or 5 bendy parts. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your tape and then get 2 of them. And then you're just going to want to set that part beside each other and lay it flat on a flat surface. Then you're just going to want to get a piece of tape, normal size, and wrap the piece of tape around them to attach them. So it should look like this. Then you're just going to want to keep on bending them up like that. So then you're going to want to take these other 2 and do the exact same thing, except you're going to want to place them even more close to each other. So these are even more close to each other. Then you're going to want to take it and then tape these 2 together. You're going to need a lot of tape for these pairs because these pairs are the ones that are holding the whole thing up. So it should look something like this. And then you can just throw these other pieces away or save them for another craft. And then there's your pop tube. It's so big when you stretch it. And one of the most satisfying parts is putting it back in. It's very nice feeling. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and and subscribe. Peace.